about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Hakka training here on ICRT, and this month we're taking the train to Kaohsiung and a district known as Liudui, which literally means 6 turtles. Now I heard there are reasons behind why it's named this way, and I'm very eager to find out. 今天呢，我们要坐着火车呢来到高雄，然后转到六龟区，而这个地方为什么命名为六龟呢？听说 Leo 呢有几个这个理由可以跟我们解释，待会来听听喽。Hey Leo，
嘿，
今天来到这里就叫六龟了，对不对？
对啊。
那六龟区听说有几个这个
跟你讲，这边这有3个说法。第一个说法呢，就是它这早期是平埔族的翻社的译名，翻译过来就叫六龟了。
哦，是那个语言就对了，就叫六龟。OK。
那第二个呢，就是这里有6座山峰，看起来很像6个乌龟。
哦，那就像说观音山看起来像观音嘛。
也没错了哈。那第3个应该更接近，那就是在这个老农溪的河床上，它涨潮的时候呢，你就看到有6颗大石头，而且其中有一颗最大颗，大家叫它龟王。
真的哦，
还有放神坛可以去祭拜它。
这个很有趣，而且乌龟在河边比较理论上看起来好像是乌龟从这个河床里面爬上来的那种感觉。
对啊，
对不对？会
有点像，有点像。
对啊，所以很多客家人呢在这个附近就定居下来。
没错。后来在2次移民的时候呢，就很多客家人就慢慢搬到这边来，而且呢就聚集在这个客家三星这里哦。
三星就是有3个不一样的村落咯，是这样吗？
对，这就是新威村、新兴村还有新寮村，就简称客家三星。
了解了。
在这边就可以看到很多客家特色，八公庙啦，还有客家凤凰啦，这些很具有特色的客家建筑哦。
看得到他们的文化就开始在蔓延了，这样子。
没错，
很棒终于了解了六龟区了。
Kaohsiung's Liugui district is very suited to its name. The character means 6 turtles, and there are at least 3 reasons for the moniker. A transliteration of an Aboriginal name for a nearby stream, mountains that look like turtles, and rocks in a riverbed that look like turtles poking out of the water. One of the rocks is even revered as the guardian of the region. The area has been rich in Hakka culture since the Japanese encouraged immigration to the region to help with cultivating the camphor industry.
Alright, now let's teach you some of these phrases in Hakka, such as the turtle, of course. 乌龟怎么说呢？
古叶，
然后古叶都是很长命百岁啊，对不对？
对，长寿。
The turtle has a long life. Longevity, how do you say that?
长命百岁。
长命百岁. Okay, that means to live 100 years actually, or have a long life. And now you know that is today's Hakka training on ICRT.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.